Welcome to Math Globe, Karnataka Board, Class 10, Lesson Circles, Exercise 4.2, 8th Sum. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Here the word circumscribe means the circle is drawn within the quadrilateral, touching the quadrilateral at 4 different points. So solution: given sides AB, BC, CD, DA of a quadrilateral. ABCD touch the circle at P, Q, R, S respectively. Thus, you can see that AP, AS, BP, BQ, CQ, CR and DR, DS are the pairs of tangent to the circle. The quadrilateral sides, half sides becomes the tangents to the circle. So therefore, AP is equal to AS. You can see AP is equal to AS, BP is equal to PQ, CQ is equal to CR and DR is equal to DS. These are tangents drawn from the external point to a circle are equal. But here BP, instead of BP you can write it as PB. So PB is equal to BQ, CQ is equal to CR. Instead of DR it can also be written as RD. So RD is equal to SD. So DS can also be written as SD. So you can see that BP is equal to BQ. The same BP can be written as PB is equal to BQ, CQ is equal to CR as it is, and DR is equal to DS can also be written as RD is equal to SD. If you interchange the letters also, the tangents are the same. So tangent drawn to the circle from external point to a circle are equal. According to that, we are writing all these things. Now, you see the length AB. AB can be written as AP plus PB. The line segment AB can be written as AP plus PB. If you see the diagram, AP plus PB. But here we have already told in points 1, 2, 3 and 4 that according to that, what can be written as AB can be written as, instead of AP we can take it as AS. You can see AP and AS are the tangents to the circle from the external point A. So instead of AP you can take it as AS plus, instead of PB it can also be written as BQ, since PB and BQ are the tangents drawn to the circle from an external point B. So AB is equal to AS plus BQ and CD is equal to CR plus RD. So CD also can be written as QC plus SD. Adding 5 and 6, you can see there LHS, adding the LHS AB plus CD and adding the RHS you get AS plus BQ plus QC plus SD. Okay, so AB plus CD. AS, grouping it, you get AS plus SD plus BQ plus QC. You're grouping there. Thus, AP plus CD, the LHS, is equal to AD plus BC, because AS plus SD is nothing but AD, and BQ plus QC. You can see that AS plus SD can be written as the total length AD, and BQ plus QC, the BQ plus QC, the total length can be written as BC. Hence, the statement is proved. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.